How do you think Gen AI can be leveraged in MM?
Yeah, I think I would put this question, back to you, since you're the one who's an NLP expert and you've got 8 years of experience working on NLP solutions. And I would say you are the brains and the mastermind, behind MM Diagnose, MMGPT, and MMMsynapse. So, I would say that you're the best person to, answer this.
Yeah, that was a question reserved for you, but I don't mind answering. But yeah, I mean, I started working way back in 2016, 2017 on NLP problems. Way back then, we were just, using word to vec. And, right now it seems very, primitive. But back then, it was really, one of the sophisticated tools to use. And of course, we also had the Transformers model, which came about, I think, in 2018, thereabouts. And those were the models that we were using to build out really great NLP products. But now we have LLMs, and they have totally changed the game. But LLMs can be used for, let's say, information retrieval. That's my view. Of course, we have cursor.ai, which can generate code. But all these LLMs are doing is uh, learning from things that has already been done. So they answer the problem of known unknowns, in the sense that it may not be known to you, but unknown to you right now, but you can definitely fetch those answers because it is definitely out there in the internet. But MMM, if you think about it, you cannot use an LLM to build a MM model from scratch. As we already alluded to, it requires a lot of statistical nuance and care. And we also funnily tried this, right? I mean, some time ago, where we used an LLM to construct a MMM model, and it was really bad, to say the least. So while LLM cannot be used to build a MM model, but it can be used around the periphery and to address the last mile problem. I think we have done a lot of projects for a lot of clients, and you can agree that not a lot of people have the same amount of knowledge that should have about a particular MM project. There is information asymmetry. So I think LLMs can solve that information asymmetry problem. I think that's what our product MMGPT and MM Diagnose and MMSynapse do, in the sense that you will not require, let's say, PPTs or Excel reports or Word documents going into the future. You can just throw it away once your LMS learned from it, and you can just chat with it anytime you want. And it can also have the power to go back in time, and if a similar project was done, it can compare. For example, hey, TikTok's ROI was 2.3 in 2023, and from to 2024 it has gone to 3.2. So these interconnections can be easily made, and LLMs are really good at that. It may not be useful to build out a model, but they can retrieve information really robustly, and that's what I believe the future of LLM lies, at least in our MM domain.